This is a Lennox AC. I figured AC and heater. I just figured I'd go ahead and show you how to change the air filter if you don't know how. And that's for those that use this filter, 20 by 25 by 4. All right, so it's real easy. Just look at how the one that's in there is in there. And then you just put it in there the same way, but it does have arrows. See, airflow. Mark it with a permanent marker if it doesn't say it. But the airflow is coming in through the vents, going into the unit. So the airflow is up, of course. So this has been in there 6 months. Let's see how bad it is. We run it all the time. Not bad for 6 months. Oh, wait, never mind. It's real bad. Look at that. On the other side. Like compared to this one. Woo, night and day over 6 months. Like I said, we run this thing all the time. All right. There's that. Boop. Go ahead and slide this bad boy in there. Force it. Just get it in there and bam. You're good to go. There. It is in.